Today we'll be installing Torklift Apex Anchor in bed tie-downs part number F6000 on a 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150. These tie-downs bolt directly to your truck's frame and pop up out of its bed. Concealable when out of use, these provide the strongest mounting option possible for your slide-in camper. If you enjoy this video, consider leaving it a like and subscribing for any future installs.
To start off, you will want to lower and remove the spare tire for easier access when installing. Then, place the appropriate hardware onto the bolt fisher, and then fish the bolt through the hole on the inside of the frame and out of the hole. Place the driver's side frame plate weldment into place using the bolt fisher to pull the bolt through the hole as shown. Remove the bolt fisher and loosely secure the bolt with the appropriate washers and nut, making sure not to push the bolt back into the frame. Next, place a flat washer onto the half-inch bolt and insert it into the top of the frame weldment through the frame. Secure it loosely with a nut and accessories. Access to the bolt is at the rear of the frame opening. Loosen the driver's side spring perch enough to create a 1/4 inch gap at the head of the bolt. Be careful not to spin the nut off completely. Slide the slotted hole portion of the driver's side vertical support weldment over the head of the bolt. Make sure the vertical support plate is on the inside of the frame plate weldment. Tighten the bolt enough to hold the part in place. Place flat washers on 2 half-inch bolts and insert the bolts into the frame plate weldment and through the vertical support plate. Secure them with the appropriate hardware. Then, torque the bolts down to the suggested foot-pounds displayed in the instructions. Loosely install the drill guide onto the frame plate weldment. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill a hole through the guide and into the bed. From the top side of the bed, using the established pilot hole, drill a 2-inch hole into the bed. Put the flat washers onto 4 of the 3/8 bolts. Install the receiver weldment onto the frame plate weldment. Once this is done, simply repeat the process on the passenger side. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving the video a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.